I know this major is focused more on marriage and family counseling, but the reason why I got into this is because I wanted to focus more with the youth counseling. So when I started looking towards a career for this assignment, I looked more into youth development programs. And one thing I found was interesting was I'd be able to get a job at the YMCA. I thought the YMCA was only for volunteering. So when I started looking at jobs there, I found that there were some pretty interesting jobs. I found there was youth development staff, payroll administrator, lead teacher, associate teacher, assistant teacher, site director, site assistant, and there was a lot of different things you'd be able to do there. And also, they have a lot of different things too. There's a large nonprofit, or it's a large nonprofit organization, and they have a flexible work schedule, a subsidized child care, time off benefits for vacation, illness, and holidays. And typical benefits for the YMCA, there's a retirement fund, there's a reduced program fees, health and dental insurance, there's competitive salaries, there's free YMCA membership for people around you, there's a tuition reimbursement, and disability and life insurance. And the salary is actually really good for the people that work there. There's up to at least $34,000 a year for people. And for the people that work there, it actually depends on what job you take for your educational requirements. Because of all the different jobs that are there, like the youth development and stuff, I was actually looking up one of the jobs that are available right now. One job that's available is a grant and financial development specialist. The qualifications for that person, there's actually quite a few of them. One qualification is you need a bachelor's degree in journalism, communications, or a related field or equivalent education experience. 2, 3 to 4 years of successful experience in grant management or equivalent experience. 3, experience in a nonprofit environment is preferred. And there's quite a few other, at least up to 9 qualifications for that one person. And then there's also another job that's open for the YMCA right now, and that's actually a cook. And that has 4 things that are qualifications that are needed. And one of them is minimum of 1 year experience in volume food preparation. 2, ability to operate daily kitchen requirements, or equipment, including such things as a slicer, grill, and names a couple other things. 3, able to stand and work for an 8-hour shift. And 4, able to lift 50 pounds to 4 feet. So that one, it has up to 4 things that need to reach requirements, and the other one has up to 9, and you need a bachelor's degree for that one. So it depends on what your job is for your requirements. And I was going to say, this job actually is all over the country. It says it's up to 10,000 neighborhoods across the nation. So, and this is working with the youth. So you can, and also with the youth, it's working with the family too, because you're helping the family as well. So that's actually one thing I want to do is I'm helping the family, but I'm also helping their children. So I want to work more with like I just said, the youth more than their parents, because I want to be able to help their children be able to grow and expand, so that they'll be able to help their children later on in life. That's why I'm taking this class, so I'll be able to do that type of thing. So I'll be able to become more of a counselor for that type of thing. So I thought this was an interesting job that I'll be able to maybe get into. So I didn't really think that would be able to be a job. I thought that was just volunteer work. I didn't realize that, because since it was just a nonprofit organization, I didn't realize that it actually got paid. But yeah, I thought that was an interesting experience finding that out. Yeah.